Salam family, this is Unity and I'm here to do a earrings of the week. Um One of a kind style. Uh I want to say this real quick. If you order from my website, either or boabw.com or K.Noir Designs, and most of the time K.Noir Designs order ship really quickly, but if there's something, if you need a design or order by a certain amount of time, please send that in a note. Email me. My number is available on my websites to let me know so I can make sure I get them to you by that specific date. A lot of people don't know that my designs are handmade. If I say they're ready to ship, they'll be ready to ship. But a lot of people don't read and they don't know that, and they think that they are already made for some reason. But I literally, if I have it in stock, I make it really quick. I mean, if I have it in stock, I will ship it really quick. But if it's not in stock, it takes a minute, independent on the orders that came in before. So always contact me for an update. I let you know. A lot of times I can't update y'all while I'm working because my hands are always in paint. Like literally, one before I even did this video, I was doing some orders, and for some reason, I know why my asthma been bothering me. My asthma haven't bothered me in years, but my neighbor, they've been living there about a year now, and they smoke. And I've been living in this place almost 12 years, and I never really had a problem with people smoking and the smoke coming in my house. So when I walked out my room, my hallway, just the smoke hit me, so it's messing with my asthma. My asthma didn't really bother me. If I get really high, it'll bother me, but it don't bother me. The most I can remember bothering me, and I had to go to the emergency room, was when I was about 7. And I remember them giving me a shot, and I never really had a problem unless something like um traumatic happened. Like if I remember getting in a fight when I was like 15, and then it flared up, but it rarely flare up. Cigarette smoke, I cannot mess with it. It gets in my throat, and it just make me breathe like that. So excuse me if y'all hear me breathing like that. So it's early in the morning, and that's the first thing I smell. Besides that, like I say, if you have a custom order and you need it quickly, just inbox me, email me, contact me. And another thing is, on my K.Noir Designs site, it takes Stripe, and it takes PayPal for payments. A lot of times I don't print my labels from PayPal. Every now and then I might, but a lot of times I print it strictly from my printing service. And if your address and name is a little different on the PayPal from what you put on the site, I can't really know what's going on. A beautiful lady, contact me, and when she was saying her name was a particular name, I had another order with the same name, the same first name, so I was confused, and I was like, your order went out, but it was under another name, and then her PayPal said another name. So she had PayPal one name, and then the order that came in from the K.Noir Designs was a different name. So I didn't put it together. I was thinking she was this other person, and I'm like, your order is there, and I'm sending pictures of the other customer order because both of their names was the same. But she was like, no, I'm not that person. You must got me, and why my order went this place? And I'm like, that's the address you gave me. But then when I realized, I went back and looked, and I looked at the address because she sent me the address. It was a totally different name from what was in on the label. So that was crazy. But anyway, let me show y'all these one of a kind pieces. They're going to be on K.Noir Designs. Oh, just make sure y'all have your address right. Um if you order from the website, in either of my websites, make sure you have the address right and names right, so I can look your order up and there won't be no issues. All right. And please read my shipping policies. On Etsy, it's in my shop announcements, and on um it's in the shipping policies and all the policies on the K.Noir Designs. So please read that before you order. And like I say, I'm very accessible to contact. You can call me, you can email me, you can Instagram message me. I'm very easy to contact. All right, 5 minutes of that. So let me show y'all my first earrings. These are one of a kind pair, and all these is on my K.Noir Designs website. They are so cute. When I first made them, I didn't have this little dot in the middle, and I decided to put that. It just made it pop. But this is glass. This is a glass bead, and then cowrie shell. And it's not lightweight, but it's not like heavy. Look at y'all. I got paint on my nose. I ain't even noticed that. Paint be everywhere. But this is lightweight. Not lightweight. This is medium weight. When I put them in my ear, I knew they was there. I don't remember feeling like, oh, I gotta take this earring out. But they're a little more heavier than the earrings I usually make. They're not, see how they moving? They're not like heavy, like you can be like, oh, I gotta take this earring out. But they're a little more heavier. But they're very beautiful. Very statement piece. And then that's the back. Okay. Okay, that's one pair. The next pair are these. My sister told me they look like Gucci link. She a trip. But they got these little this is like acrylic beads. And then they got a cowrie shell at the bottom. And then I put 2 rings up here. And then they will hang like that. These are very lightweight. Very lightweight. So cute. The next pair, these are very, well, I say artsy, indigenous. Just so cool. I was just doing a lot with these, but they came out cute. So that's these. They made out of, this is leather. Genuine leather. It's this. And then I got a cowrie shell. Then I got like a little metal bead right here. And then, yeah, and this is the back. Then I got some wooden beads up here. Very interesting. I like them. So it came out this way. A lot of times when I'm creating, I don't know exactly what's gonna come out, but it came out this way. Very cool. Right, that's those, and they will hang like that. Next pair, this is another pair that's made out of a piece of leather, beads, and I think I'm gonna gloss this because I want this to last a while, so I'm gonna put a gloss over this. So these, I don't know if y'all remember, I did some earrings like this some years ago. I did a lot of leather earrings. If I could find that picture, nah, it's on my computer. I was gonna tell you I insert it and show y'all, but I did some earrings similar to these some years ago, probably 2010. But this is the back and this is the front, and I think I'm gonna go on and put a gloss over this so this right here can last a while, and they will hang like that. So that is that. And then I thought I had some, oh, I do got another one. I got one more pair after this. And that's, and then this pair right here is another glass beaded pair. This was some metal earrings that I took the back off and then I glued them on this bead. And I did put a gloss over here so this could be sturdy and won't go anywhere. I got some little beads up here. And then that one hang like that. Like I say, it's not like heavy. It's not like light. It's like in between. So really cool. So that's those. And then this is the last pair. And then I got some hand painted earrings that's coming up in the next one. It'll be this week. And then this, geez, some little Kari shell earrings. They would hang like that. Really simple and cute. Alright, I hope y'all enjoy watching this video. I'm sorry if y'all was breathing a little weird, but I gotta figure something out. I don't know if I'm gonna end up moving because the smoke is coming through, and it been coming through for a while. I had already bought like a air purifier. It seemed like it was working, but it's not working. Literally, if you walk in my house certain times, you would think that I smoke cigarettes. And I don't have nothing against people that smoke cigarettes, but cigarettes, ever since I can remember, and they get in my throat, it just make me feel like I can't breathe. I'm always coughing. And it's crazy because the guy say that he don't smoke in the house, but I know I don't smoke. And it, like, a lot of times if I have my bathroom door open downstairs, it really smell like it around in the hallway. That's why I get it a lot, like in the hallway, down the stairs, by the front door. Sometimes even when I'm working over here, I could smell it and gets in my throat. So I gotta figure something out, because he was saying something about the place he lived before. They charge him like a $300 they took $300 from his deposit due to the fact the house smelled like smoke. So I know they gonna, because it's coming over here. And like I say, people can do what they want to do. They can smoke and they can do all that. But I also know that there's different cancers that come from secondhand smoke. I know Christopher Reed's wife died from that. I don't know the name of it, but and I understand that it's hard for a lot of people just to stop smoking. I'm not, because their body get used to it, and especially if they've been doing it for years. And people smoke for different reasons, to keep them calm. So I just can't smoke. I don't smoke. I don't drink. It's weird because smelling weed and black and miles don't bother me as much as the cigarette smoke. It's just something about the cigarette smoke. And Dr. Cabone said on C-SPAN some years ago, he said, when you see somebody, he said when he had walked in, there was a brother smoking some cigarettes, and he said, they getting paid off your death. They telling you that it'll kill you, and they getting paid off your death. So it's all about, because I could be eating something sweet and it could kill me. So, you know, I can't say he shouldn't. I can't say he should, but I know he could do what he want to do in his house. But it's crazy, it's coming to my house, and it been affecting me for a while, and it's to the point that I probably have to relocate. Non-smoking apartment. All right. I have a good day. Salam, salam.